Hi, I'm Steve Thompson, president of Emery Thompson Machine. It's been a rather difficult past few days and week with the two hurricanes going on, the one hitting Houston and doing so much damage, and now we have an even larger storm in the Caribbean coming its way towards Florida. Hurricane Irma is 180 mile per hour with gusts up to 220 miles per hour. That's the largest storm that's ever happened on the east coast of the United States. And sadly, it's coming right towards Florida. And we are, of course, in Florida. And over the next few days, we'll be tracking where this storm is going to go, but it's going to hit most of Florida. And we plan to close down Friday afternoon and hope to reopen very shortly after the storm. We're a family-oriented business. We've been in business for 112 years. I'm third generation. My grandfather, Emery Thompson, started the business, and the pride that he instilled in us and my father and now me has always been to be a service company, to give our customers the very best assistance we possibly can. To that end, even though we're closed down, our IT department has a new phone system here that even when we're shut down, it'll ring at my home. So we won't miss any calls. If the building is closed and we're not shipping machines for a couple of days, you can still reach me at our factory phone number, 718-588-7300. If I'm not right at my desk, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if I need to forward your call to an engineer, I can do that too. It's a pretty amazing phone system. I can also be reached if we lost total power and not even enough to run the phones. I can be reached by email, which of course can go to my phone or any computer wherever I am. And that address is steve@emerythompson.com. That's steve@emerythompson.com. We want to give you the best service we can, even when we have troubled times here in Florida. But we'll be back up and running, just like everyone else will be in Florida and Texas. Stay safe.